Alright guys, it's Ryan back with another video. This time I'm bringing you a 2021 Audi RS6 Avant. Absolutely gorgeous. Carbon ceramic brakes. Look at the size of those things. Wow. As you guys can see in the background, got a custom solar orange RS6 Avant. But let's focus on this beauty in front of us. Nice glacier white. The cognac interior, all the black optics exterior pieces. What a piece of art. I mean, we've been waiting for this car since 2011 here in the US, and I'm glad they finally brought it. It's doing extremely well since it came out. Very limited production. And I gotta show this one too. Solar orange, Audi exclusive, RS6 Avant. I'm actually gonna go a little off here. Another beautiful RS6 Avant, Daytona gray. Solar orange, glacier white. Yeah guys, I couldn't skip out. I didn't want to just make a video of one. I need to make a video of all three. Daytona gray. Solar orange without the black optics exterior. More of like the motorsport style wheels. What a statement piece. 9 o'clock. And this Daytona gray one doesn't have the carbon ceramic brakes on it. That's what the standard brakes will look like. It does have the full exterior.